Hi, my name is Dirk Slamer from Bosch. We're a proud member of Covesa Alliance. Today I want to talk about what's new in Covesa VSS 5.0. For this I'm using the VSS Explorer. I'm opening the vehicle catalog, and in here we can actually see for the different versions of Covesa VSS that have been created thus far, different vehicle instances. So we want to look here at VSS 5.0. Of course, I want to be able to compare this to the previous version. So let me open this and let's actually say we compare this to version 4.2. So what we can see here is we've added 28 new signals. We had deleted 16 signals, and there are 16 changed signals. So here we can see basically the differences between the changed signals, but let's focus on what's new here. So here we can see, for example, a lot of activity in Covesa right now regarding charging functionality. So we can see here a lot of new signals basically in the area of charging point. For example, the is charging cable locked functionality here is flap open and so on. And this we actually find in different positions where the charging point could be. So here front left, front middle, rear left, middle right. So let's take, for example, this one here, rear right is charging cable locked. So this basically tells us whether the charging cable is locked to prevent removal. It's a very simple one. Data type is a Boolean here. And here we can see a prototype which is using this and a bunch of other signals. And for example, here we find some code which is now using this new signal here. Basically, we're closing the charging flap. So we're using a nice API here that's matching to the Covesa VSS specification to set this to false. And then, as per usual, we can also try this out in the dashboard. So here we have a use case that basically allows us to check this out. So this is basically what we can now get from the Covesa VSS 5.0. And of course, all of these new functions that we had just looked at fit in nicely with the overall VSS specification, which includes anything you can wish for, from ADAS to body to cabin to chassis and so on. So try it out.